I recently created a tutorial on how you can create this kind of crosshair. When the user clicks on any cell, the crosshair moves along with the cursor. But someone on the comment section had inquired if this crosshair could be disabled on the fly, looking something like this. Well, this is how you do it. I'm going to introduce a pull down menu right about here. The way to do it, you go to data and you go data validation here again, and then you change the allow to list. And the source, I've created two entry here. I'm just going to select this on and off and click OK. Now when it's all said and done, over here you do have a pull down menu looking something like this. The next thing you have to do is to modify the conditional formatting formula. Go to Home, Style, Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules. In here you're going to change all this rule like this. Now when this thing is off, none of the crosshair appears. When I turn this thing on like this, the crosshair starts to appear again.